In a vast, sunny jungle, deep in the heart of South America, lived a friendly little puma named Puma Pete. Pete was unlike any other puma in the jungle. He had a heart full of kindness and a smile that could brighten up the darkest night. One day, Pete found a small, scared baby bird on the ground. The bird had fallen from its nest and was all alone. Pete carefully picked up the bird and decided to help it find its family. He carried the bird carefully, cradling it in his paws. As they walked through the jungle, Pete asked the bird, "What's your name, little one?" The bird replied, "I am Sparrow, and I've lost my way." Pete promised Sparrow that he would help her find her home. He asked the other animals for help, but no one seemed to know where Sparrow's family lived. Just then, a wise old owl perched on a tree branch. "I know where Sparrow's family lives," the owl said. "They are in the tallest tree on the other side of the jungle." Pete and Sparrow thanked the owl and set off to find Sparrow's family. They climbed, and climbed until they reached the top of the tallest tree. There, they found Sparrow's family, overjoyed to see her safe and sound. Her family welcomed Sparrow with open arms, and Pete was rewarded with warm gratitude. From that day forward, Pete became known as a hero in the jungle. He showed everyone that kindness and helpfulness could make a big difference in the lives of others. So, remember, just like Puma Pete, always be kind and help those in need. You never know who you might help or how much of a difference you could make. Good night.